Kalpita and you're watching Book Geeks India. So guys, in this video I bring to you the book review of this book. So this book was released just recently. So the book is called My Hanuman Chalisa and it's written by Devdutt Pattanaik. Now Devdutt Pattanaik, as most of you know, is a guy who writes about Indian mythology, about Hindu mythology, and as can be gauged by the name, this is based on Hanuman Chalisa. Now Hanuman Chalisa is a hymn which was composed 400 years ago by Tulsi Das in Awadhi, which is a dialect of Hindi. Hanuman Chalisa gained tremendous popularity because it was written in the language of the masses. It transcended all barriers of caste, age, gender, power, money and geography. Through this book, Devdutt attempts to familiarize the Hanuman Chalisa to the modern generation by translating it in simpler words. Now, at the start of the book, Devdutt mentions why this book is called My Hanuman Chalisa. The reason is very simple. It is because this book is the result of Devdutt's exploration of the Hanuman Chalisa and the stories and legends that surround Lord Hanuman. He also mentions that he has written this book with the aim of not to convince but to enrich. The book, instead of chapters, is divided into dohas and chopais, and each of these dohas and chopais are what constitute basically the chapters. The beauty of this book lies in the fact that Devdutt uses a really understandable language, easy language to translate the words into something which can be understood by everybody. And that's not all. The book cannot be called a mere translation because it's not that. Instead of just translating verse by verse, word by word, Devdutt has also explored a lot of ancient texts, Upanishads, Vedas and Purans, which pertain to a particular doha or chopai. Thus, he has included a lot of information about God Hanuman, Lord Hanuman from various other sources, and the result of this beautiful exploration is that the reader emerges with not only an increased understanding of Lord Hanuman and Hanuman Chalisa, but also with an increased understanding of the Hindu worldview and our religion. Like a cherry on the top, the author has also mentioned Lord Hanuman in various other cultures like the Thai culture, the Malaysian culture and the Chinese culture as well. And he has contrasted the Hanuman of those cultures with the Indian Hanuman. Hence, it is needless to state that the book is a result of meticulous and extensive research and is a must-read for anybody who knows Hanuman Chalisa, does jap of Hanuman Chalisa, and who has even the faintest of interest in knowing more about it. So that's it from me in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next video, which will be pretty soon. Bye!